Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to talk about how to straighten a tilted image without crop it or losing any resolution on pixels. Stay with me and I'll show you. Before we start, it's good to know what is the tilted image and what image have to be straightened. Let's see the first example, and maybe you think this is a tilted one, but we're not sure that this is the camera angle or the earth angle. We're not sure. But let's see the second example. Here we have a water. As we know, the water is always straight and stay horizontal. That's why this image have to be straightened. And how to make it without crop? Okay, go to crop tool, and it's very important the delete crop pixels to be unchecked and content aware to be checked. Now you can click on the straighten button or just holding Ctrl or Command key make the straight line. Okay, as we see, have a lot of space without any color information, but content aware will fill it. Click enter and everything is good. Let's zoom a little bit to see if we have some glitches. You can repair with the clone stamp. I think it's good. Let's see here. I think this area is not very good. I'll get some samples from here. Okay. This corner is good and this corner is good. I think it's done. Let's move to the third example. And here we have a lot of stuff around the water. And let's see what can do content aware. Go to crop tool. Again, uncheck delete crop pixels and check content aware. Let's straighten with Control Command, holding the Control Command and make the line. Okay. Click enter. Good. Let's see what we have here. It's not very good. I'll pick the clone stamp and make some adjustments. Okay. I think here is good. Let's see this corner. Maybe here a little bit. Okay, let's see here. Maybe in this area. And I think we're ready. The tutorial is very easy. And don't forget, when click on the crop tool, to uncheck delete cropped pixel and check content aware. And when see the final result, just see the corners, and if you have some glitches, just repair it with clone stamp or any preferred tool. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more videos, and see you soon.